Smile bright. Smile right. Hello children. How are you? I hope you are fine. How is your oral health? That means how do you maintain your teeth healthy? I hope that is also well and good. If you are ready to achieve healthy teeth, then this video is for you. So, let's learn some important brushing techniques which is an important part of maintaining good oral hygiene habits. Choose right brush and paste. Dear kids, always choose a soft bristle toothbrush and pick a fluoride toothpaste suitable for your age. How many times and how long do you brush your teeth? Brush your teeth twice a day, when you wake up from bed, and when you go to sleep for 2 minutes each time. Toothpaste amount. Dear children, always use a pea-sized amount of toothpaste. Don't use a brush full of toothpaste. Know your teeth. Do you know how many teeth do you have? A kid has 20 milk teeth. A fully grown adult has 32 teeth. Learn the types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth. 1. Incisors. 2. Canine. 3. Premolar. 4. Molar. There are 8 incisors. 4 on the top. 4 on the bottom. They help us to bite and cut the food into smaller particles. We have 4 sharp canines. 2 on the top. 2 on the bottom. Canines help to tear the food that we eat to make it into smaller pieces. We have 8 premolars. 4 on the top. 4 on the bottom. Premolars help to tear and crush the food. Next to the premolars, the molars. There are 12 molar teeth. 6 on the top. 6 on the bottom. Molar teeth help to crush and grind food. Brushing techniques. Apply the pea-sized toothpaste all over the teeth. While brushing the front of your mouth, you are brushing incisors and canines. Brush them in the up-down motion. Use the same method to brush the backside of incisors and canines. Use the same techniques to brush premolar and molar teeth. Up-down motion front and back sides of the teeth. Circular motion on the premolar and molar teeth. Then, rinse your mouth and spit out the entire toothpaste after brushing. This ensures the spit out of all the germs from your mouth. Don't forget your tongue. On the backside of your brush, you will find some dots to clean your tongue. Gently clean your tongue with that part to remove the germs. Don't forget your gums. After rinsing your mouth, press the gums gently and fix them in their places. This helps them to move to the right position. The right place for your brush. Keep the brush dry in the hot sun with a cover. Ensure that your brush is not in touch with other brushes. Also, replace your toothbrush every 3 months. Don't wait until the brush bristles are frayed. Last but not least, schedule a regular dental checkup. That is once in 3 months to monitor your oral health. I hope this video is useful for maintaining healthy teeth. Thank you.